Hi everyone. I'm here to show you just a quick do-it-yourself leave-in and detangling spray. I'm not a professional and I don't have fancy equipment and all that stuff. I just like to show what I've been doing so if it helps someone else. Um, so here I'm using the vegetable glycerin. Hopefully I said it right. Please don't kill me. And it's good for soap, facial, like a lot of things. You could research it. I'll try to put what I can in information below. Also, neem oil, and this is pure, I think, virgin. And next we have vitamin E, and I'm going to show you my. Oh, the next is the water. Sorry, water. And the next is the spray bottle. So what I do is I normally mix everything up. I don't have like exact measurements. I just, use my discretion. But for the water, I'll definitely use 8 ounces of water. And if I was to estimate, maybe 1 ounce of the vegetable glycerin and around 10 to 20 drops of the vitamin E. Shake that around and you have your spray. Sometimes I'll do it when I come out of the shower, but I also kind of do it on my dry dry hair. I'm sorry. So, and I mainly try to get the tips. The vegetable glycerine definitely helps to lock in moisture so your hair won't be dried a lot. But be careful when you're using it depending on the weather because it could dry it out if there's no moisture in the air. So, but definitely do your research. It's very good and experiment with it. Do what you will. I'll try to show something else of what I use it in. Good luck and thank you.